Hello guys! Today I'm making a video for Russian learners and I will talk about my latest post on my page Learn Russian through Russian sitcoms. The latest post was based on Russian sitcom Voronины. And let's look at a few words which you can hear there and which are possible to be a bit difficult for your pronunciation. The first word is ладно. Listen to a phrase from the video.
Ну ладно тебе. Ну ладно тебе.
And look how we pronounce it. Ладно. We don't pronounce every sound separately like ладно. We put our tongue up and we make a pause, we make the sound a bit longer and we move to n sound. Ладно. The last sound is a because unstressed o is always a. I can see a lot of questions about it. When do you read O like O and when do you read O like A? It's easy to memorize. When O is stressed, it's O. But when O is unstressed, it's A. We don't say it like A. It's not so opened A. It's A. Ладно. The next word is a word чего. Listen to this word in the video.
Ну объясни мне, чего ты плакала? Ну объясни мне, чего ты плакала?
As I wrote in the post, it's a colloquial way to say почему, why. And look, we don't pronounce it like it's written. It's written чего, but we pronounce it чего. Unstressed ye is pronounced like I and g is pronounced like v. It's a rule that our endings его, ого are pronounced like ivo, ovo. And it depends. If the last o is stressed, it's pronounced like o, and if the last o is unstressed, it's pronounced like a, and then we say iva, ova. And the last word from the video is the word ничего. Let's listen to the phrase with this word.
Все равно ничего не понял. Все равно ничего не понял.
As I said in my post, a word ничего is a slang word, it's a colloquial word, and it's a version of a word ничего, means nothing. It's the same about a word чё. Some people replace a word что to чё, but it's a slang and many people don't like these versions, чё and ничего. So try to avoid using them in your speech. Well, I hope my video was useful for you. Don't forget to look below the video. There is a link to my post with the video from a Russian sitcom. And if you need any help with your Russian, if you need practice, please let me know and I will help you. In the beginning of May, I will have 10 free days and I can give you some classes on Skype. And I will look for new students in the beginning of June. So you can let me know that you'd like to learn Russian and we will talk about booking classes. See you next time. Пока-пока.